Good morning to all. This is Dr. Balaji, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Kerala University. Today's my talk on the programmable array logic. That is one of the family of the programmable logic devices. See, this is the structure of a programmable array logic. Consists of a array of AND gates and array of the OR gates, and having a number of inputs and m outputs. But if you want to design the programmable array logic logic device or the IC, every one of you consider the array of logic gates or the array of the AND gates or the programmable, and the OR gates are the fixed. Means here we need the programmable array of AND gates and as well as the fixed OR gates only. These two are very important while we are going for the design of a programmable array logic. Now this is the important structure for the PAL. That is the one of important category of a PLD, programmable logic devices. See here, we have given one of the logic expression, that is A is equivalent to xy plus xz bar and B is equivalent to xy bar plus yz bar. So based on the given logic expression, here we need to design the programmable array logic. But the programmable array logic should have a programmable AND gates and as well as the fixed OR gates only. So here, based on the given logic expression, we have a two outputs A and B, and inputs are symbolically represented by X, Y and Z. So means three inputs and as well as the two outputs, and every input should have a buffer and as well as the complementary one symbol. Here we need the both symbols, buffer symbol and as well as the complementary one. So based on the given expression, here we need to design the programmable array logic. That is, here initially the AND gate should be the programmable with the intact fuses, that is the star marks, based on the given both expression. For example, here they have given A equal to xy. So wherever the X and Y buffer inputs are there, we need to indicate with the star marks. That is intact fuse. Means that is the programmable AND gate. While we are connecting with the intact fuse, we used to call that is a programmable AND gate. And whereas the second main term, that is xz bar, so where X is without the complementary symbol and Z is with the inverter symbol or the complementary symbol only. So indicate wherever these two inputs are there, X and Z bar, indicate with the intact fuse. That is xy plus xz bar we have represented. But whereas the second output B is equivalent to, we have given you xy bar, indicate here X and Y bar with the intact fuse. The second main term is yz bar plus, that is Y is the buffer and Z bar is the complementary symbol. Connect with the intact fuse. So means initially we have connected with the programmable AND gate. Once we have connected, later on indicate its corresponding mean terms and check whether which is correct or wrong, because here the designing part is very important. After that, then you can combine both mean terms for the A output and Y output and verify whether the designed programmable array logic is correct or wrong. That should be from output to the input. That is, capital A is equivalent to xy plus xz bar. Again, where the xy which are connected from the buffer input or the complementary input, once you think or recheck it. But whereas the second AND gate which is connected from the xz bar, the corresponding output is A equal to xy plus xz bar. Like for the second output B, which is connected from the xy bar plus yz bar. Okay, so this is a way to design the programmable array logic. Thank you.